The Supreme Court on Friday said that the access to internet services is a fundamental right under Article 19 of the Indian Constitution and asked the Jammu and Kashmir administration to review within a week all orders imposing such restrictions. The apex court also said that indefinite suspension of internet is impermissible and must be subjected to judicial review. According to a report in the Washington Post, the internet shutdown in Jammu and Kashmir, which has entered its 161st day, is the longest ever imposed in any democracy. Only authoritarian regimes such as Myanmar and China have had the dubious distinction of imposing restrictions for longer. So how did India end up becoming the internet shutdown capital of the world? Outlook explains. India witnessed at least 102 internet shutdowns in 2019, more than any other country in the world. Besides Kashmir, internet services were blocked in parts of New Delhi and Uttar Pradesh in view of protests against the Citizenship Amendment Act. Most of these shutdowns targeted mobile internet because a significant section of internet users in India access these services on mobile phone. The government's rationale behind clamping down on internet services is to stop rumor mongering, spread of misinformation and fake news which may lead to tensions or incite violence. Section 144 of CRPC, the law that prohibits the assembly of 5 or more people, has a provision to ban internet services as a security measure. Now, how often has the government restricted internet services in India? Since 2012, India has faced internet suspension on at least 374 occasions. The nature and duration of these shutdowns, of course, vary. In 2018, the government shut down internet services at least 134 times. The number was so high that even Pakistan, that ranked second, had experienced only 12 shutdowns. In 2019, besides Kashmir, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Tripura, Nagaland were some of the other states where internet services were suspended. Following the demonstrations against the Citizenship Amendment Act, internet services were suspended for the very first time since 2012 in parts of New Delhi as well. But Jammu and Kashmir has been at the receiving end of the most and longest internet shutdowns in India. Since 2012, of the 374 times when India has suspended internet services, 180 of them were in the valley. This is also the second time when Kashmir is experiencing its longest ever internet shutdown. In 2016, the internet services had remained suspended for 133 days. The apex court's Friday order offers some respite to the students, journalists and medical personnel who have struggled during the longest ever internet shutdown in the history of Kashmir.